If you own a carpet cleaning business or another type of cleaning business and you get lead notifications from your website, so every time someone fills out a contact form or requests a quote from your website, you get an email notification letting you know. Something like what you're seeing on the screen right now. This is an email notification for one of our BookCleaningJobs.com clients. So if you get something like this every time someone fills out a form on your website, you're probably going to want to make sure that you receive 100% of your leads. So here's a couple tips to help you make sure that you get 100% of the leads that you receive from your website. First of all, whatever sender email address has sent you this lead notification, add that email to your contacts. So whoever sent this email to you, whoever sends the email lead notifications to you, whatever that email address is, it might be email@yourswebsite.com, it might be no reply@yourswebsite.com, it might be some other email address. Add that email to your contacts so that your email provider knows that you are expecting to hear from that email address. So first of all, add that email address to your contacts. Second of all, if you get leads like this in your inbox, mark them important, star them if you have a Gmail account. This will help your email provider understand that you want to continue receiving these emails and that they are important to you. Thirdly, you can drag these emails to your inbox if they happen to land in your promotions tab or your social tab. So again, for you Gmail users, if you have a promotions tab or a social tab in your email inbox, you will want to make sure that you drag any lead notifications that end up in those tabs over to your primary tab so that you can get these emails delivered directly to you and directly to the tab that you're most likely to be checking on a regular basis. The name of the game is speed when it comes to responding to leads. You want to respond as soon as these leads come in, within a minute or 2 minutes if possible. Finally, you're going to want to check your spam folder at least once per week. Sometimes emails make it into your spam folder. Sometimes it's something that somebody entered into the contact form on your website that causes a lead notification to end up in your spam folder. So as a best practice, check your spam folder at least once per week. I'm kind of in the habit of checking my spam folder almost every single day because I just want to make sure that my email is as cleared out as possible every single day and I'm not missing any leads. And I recommend that our clients at Book Cleaning Jobs do the exact same thing. Check your spam folder at least once per week. If you find any leads in your spam folder at all, mark those leads as not spam, drag them to your inbox immediately to your primary folder so that Google, Gmail, whoever your email provider is, will continue to keep those leads out of your spam folder. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If this video was helpful, leave a like. And if you want to grow your cleaning business, if you're not getting leads like this currently, then hit subscribe so that you can find out how to grow your cleaning business and how to get more leads. I'm Reuben with BookCleaningJobs.com. Thanks a lot.